What's up guys, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. In today's video, we're gonna extend our pasture about half an acre, maybe an acre. It's just so the sheep can eat more and so we don't have to mow as much. We rented a post hole digger and we're gonna be drilling holes all day and we'll take you guys with us.
Ideally, we'd have a tractor with a auger on it, but we don't. So our local Ace Hardware has this post hole digger. I've used several different kinds. They got like the earthquake that you hold in your hand, but this one is a lot less labor intensive. So if you have access to one like this or the big handheld ones, this is the way to go. They're very easy to use and you're not exhausted when you get done. They're not a lot to handle. So anyway, I need some string. We're gonna string some lines, make sure our fence is somewhat straight.
I don't know if you guys can see that or not. There we go. That's better. This is the post hole digger that we rented. We've already used it a couple times. We drilled one hole there. And then there's a water line somewhere right in there. So we're just going to put some green stakes in there that aren't as deep. And then we've got a hole right there. How do you like digging holes?
Fun.
Is it fun?
Kind of.
Kind of?
Kind of.
Is it a lot of work still?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to have to
guys, so we have 5 holes drilled so far. I think we're going to do like 15 or 16 holes. It's going really quick, so what we're doing is we have a really long measuring tape, and every 25 feet we're going to drill a hole. Dylan moves the line away from the drill, and then after he's done with it, me and Dylan will clear the dirt and then we'll move to the next hole. It's really fast.
It's going quick, ain't it?
Yeah, it's going really quick. So we'll keep you guys with us while we're drilling the holes, and we'll get them all drilled hopefully within 30 minutes, maybe?
Yeah, I think, yeah, for sure.
Maybe
Half hour we'll be
quicker.
done. Yeah, this thing makes it nice.
Yeah, it makes it super quick and easy. Alright, I'm gonna put it down so I can help. We've got one last hole to do, and then that'll be all the holes we need to drill for now. I don't think we need any more, but then we just have to get the poles and the concrete to be able to put in the holes.
Back to the fence project. This is the next day from when we drilled all the holes, me and the boys. So when we built the shed, we had to put up some temporary fencing to keep all of our livestock in.
That shed.
So today we're going to take down this section of temporary fence that we had up during the shed construction, and we're going to move it to these posts that I have in here. So there's just a little bit of fencing I got to nail up, but we're going to move that 10-foot green gate down there in between, over in the middle here where these posts are. I was bracing this up. I'm just going to cut this off.
Barefoot. Someone's already checking out the fresh grass.
I think I'm gonna have to adjust this top hinge. I gotta move that hinge down.
He finally came.
Good boy.
He didn't know if he could be in here. Open the gate up and he was staying.
Come on. Good boy.
He likes it.
You can run around in here now.
You like that?
You can relax around.
You can be closer to us.
Oh, at least you got the football.
They like it.
Yeah, they're loving it.
Come here, Penelope.
Penelope, come here, girl. Come on,
Yeah, come here. Come for Dylan, either one. Come here.
come here. I'm gonna get you.
Come on, look up.
Come here, I'm gonna get you.
I want to see what all the hype's about. They like it. It's not very good. It doesn't really taste like anything.
Tastes like
Grass?
yeah.
Wrap up the video for today. We got done the little project that we wanted to get done. We got to just take down the old section of fence. As you can see behind us, the sheep are loving their new grass. One of the main reasons we decided to move a bunch of the fence, it's going to add about a half an acre to our pasture. On the next video, you'll see us in the front yard adding a bunch of the front yard into the pasture.
Ralphie.
We'd rather have more food for the sheep to eat than grass to mow, ain't that right?
Yeah.
So that's why we're moving the fence.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video.
Check back with us tomorrow. We'll finish up the rest of the fence. Have a good one.
And remember to like and subscribe to the videos. Come here, go.
Pee!
Penelope says so.
Oh, she's crazy.
This is our sweet pea.
No, you want to see crazy? I'll show you crazy. Crazy about got her head stomped in by daddy's sheep when she got in the pasture. That's crazy. Crazy number 2.
me.
The leader of the crazies.